to show you how to play Blue Bayou by Ronstadt. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction because everything works off of that introduction. Really, you've got a B, F sharp, F sharp, B, F sharp, F sharp, B. You got 4 of them. But on the first 2, you'll hear a little chord come in there that's a D sharp and an F sharp. So you'll hear that little chord come in there. And then if you play them all, then let it off. And if you play all that introduction, it's... And then the melody comes in right on this F sharp. So let's go to the melody now. F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, B, G sharp, A sharp, A sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, A sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, B, B, G sharp, F sharp. Now, I can't say the names as quickly as you play it, so it goes. Then we do it again. So that's your verse. And then for the chorus, she goes up to this B. So it's just B, 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 A sharp, A sharp, B, A sharp, A sharp, G sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. So you're playing those same notes. We go B, C, G sharp, E, C sharp. Then we have G sharp, G sharp, G sharp. D sharp, C sharp, B, B, B. Now for the left hand, they keep going with this, but you can't keep going with that because you got to simplify it a little bit for the left hand when you're playing it. B, D sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, B, D sharp. Then I'll imply that we've been doing that all along. I'll throw that in as the interlude. The only 3 chords we have a B chord, we have an F sharp chord. F sharp is all black. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. B chord is white, black, black. B, D sharp, F sharp. And then we've got the E chord. E, G sharp, B. So we're in the key of B. You got the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. So those are the only 3 chords that we have in there. So when we play that, and then once in a very great while we'll go down to E, B, E. So now I'll take it so you can see it. Well, let's start from the beginning so you can see it with the intro. Now we go to the F sharp. To the B. Then we play this as the interlude. So we play what we did in the intro, and then we're back to it. Back to the F sharp. Then we do this same thing again. Now that you got to synchronize because you go B, F sharp, and And then the melody, she comes in on the melody on this B before this F sharp hits. So it hits with her second note. Now I'm going to add the chord. B, D sharp and F sharp, B, D sharp and F sharp. Then we'll punctuate the F sharp, C sharp, A sharp, F sharp with the chord. So we'll just do the chord triad, spelling it down. And then we'll go on with the chord. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. And we'll do a little interlude there with the B and the F sharp, just like the intro. So here it is with the chorus. So we go into it. She changes the rhythm there just a little bit each time. She goes short, short, long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, short. So she changes that to match the words. Then here comes that E. So we'll come down and we'll end with that 6 that sounds so nice with this E and that C sharp. So it all plays E, B, E, and then I'm not going to hold all of that. I'm just going to hold this one. And then be real lazy with that G sharp coming in. Da 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 dee da da dee dee da da da. So you're just lazy with that. And so you're going to have the B chord, F sharp chord, then B, F sharp, B, and then chord as your interlude. And then we're into the second verse. Same thing. Now what I like to do is I like to put the chord right there so you get that little tone cluster there. So I like to go. Once we get to there, it's better to lighten it up and get rid of that thickness right there. She changes the rhythm right here just a little bit. She'll go. First two phrases she changes it a little bit. You got short, 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 long, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, 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 long, short, long. She changes the rhythm so that you've got it. If you get it mixed up, it's not going to work. It's not going to matter as long as you've got the notes there. They're going to go together with it. And then we're back to the chorus. So just that short little part of the second verse, and then we're back to the chorus. slide guitar interlude there. And I've got it pretty well scored out for you. Your melody is going to be F sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, with a little grace note there. C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, B, B, C sharp, B, E, F sharp, and then triplets, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, then straight down G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp. If you play it, it's going to sound like this. You're going to have a left hand with it. B, D sharp, B, with the chord, D sharp and F sharp, B, with the chord, then F sharp, A sharp and C sharp, F sharp, with the chord, all the way through. Because that slide guitar has the chords going through that, so it'll sound good. And then we're into the tag. So let's get that slide guitar and let's get into it. Slow it down just a little bit here. And it's a little bit polyrhythmic there. So you'll have to play it to get your hands to work together. Then real light here. And lift off when you start this. And then for the last chord, now, so what you're doing there is you're on B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and then we end with a B chord. And the B chord, we're gonna orchestrate it with the B and the D sharp in the left hand, and the F sharp and the B in the right hand. So very close harmony. One more time for the ending of that tag. There you have it, Blue Bayou by Ronstadt. Hope you enjoyed playing it.